Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to learn something new. Means today we are going to discuss our first chapter of maths, and its name is Where to Look From. As you can see on your screen, it is given class 3rd maths chapter 1st, Where to Look From. So, in this chapter, we are going to learn about how to look the objects. How to look the object means when we see the object from different sides, it has different views. Means, for example, I am going to show you some objects. Please see here. As on screen you can see bed is given. 3 images of bed are given. In these 3 images you can see image number 1. When you see bed like this, when you see bed from front side, so it looks like image number 1, as you have seen many times at your home also. Now when you look bed from top side, it looks like image number 2. And when you look object from side portion, it look like image number 3 of bed. Okay, let's see one more example. Here you can see the images of shoes are given. 3 images of shoes are given here. Now see. In first image of shoe, you can see that shoes that you can see this is the top view of the shoes. Why I am saying this top view? Because from top side you can see even inside of the shoes also, right? Second image that is showing only the side portion of shoes, so that is called the side view of shoes. Similarly, image third that is showing only the front side of the shoe, so it is called the front side of shoe. Okay, for furthermore, I'll give you further more examples. Just look here. This is car. You can see an image of red color car is here. Now, in this car, you can see we can see this car from different sides. Means when we see this car from front side as image number 1, so it is called the front view of the car. This is called the front view of the car. Similarly, when you look this car from side portion as in image number 2, so you can see that it is red color side portion car, so you can see that it is side view of the car. And when you look this car from top side, it is called the top portion of the car. Further more example I am having with for you. Here now you can see teapot is given. Teapot that is drawn in that red background. In this teapot you can see when you when you see this teapot, what point you are getting, that this teapot, which side view is this? This is side view. When the same teapot given in blue background, when you see this teapot, what you are able to see? The top portion, only the top portion. So this is called the top view of teapot. Similarly, again in green portion, you can see first one portion it is given side view, and then in downside that mehendi color background where it is called the front view of teapot. The whole teapot, when you are able to see, when you are looking that from front side, that you can see whole object, this is called the front view of the teapot. Furthermore, we were having here now more images I am having for you, like Let's see. Now here some objects are given. First one is tent. Tent is given, a military tent is there. Now in this military tent you can see that which portion is top portion, which portion is side portion, and which portion is front portion, right? Similarly, second images of a table is there. Look at this table. When you look this table from top side, you are able to see only the rectangular portion of the table. But when you look this table from front side, you will be able to see the all the four legs. But when you will see from side portion, you will only able to see the side two legs of this table. Similarly, some other images are given. You can go through this like a nut. When you look nut from top portion, it looks somewhat different. When you look it from side portion, it looks somewhat different. And when you look this nut from front side, it looks up different. Similarly, many images are there. Just wait, I can show you furthermore. Come on, come here. Now first image you can see almirah. In this almirah you can see top portion of the almirah. First it is given front portion of the almirah, then it is given side portion of the almirah, and then it is given top portion of the almirah. Similarly, now second we have a matchbox, an example of matchbox. Here you can see first it has shown the side portion of the matchbox, then it has shown the front portion of the matchbox, and then it has shown the top portion of the matchbox. Now see third, their television is given. In this television you can see side portion is there, top portion is there, and front portion is there. So now image number 1 of the television is showing you what? Front portion. What it is showing? It is showing you the front portion. And the image number 2 is showing you the side portion of an object. What it is showing you? The side portion. And image number 3 is showing you only the top portion of an object. Similarly, car is given here. Fourth example. In this you can see car. Top portion, front portion and side portion is shown. Now particularly in first image it has shown you the front portion of the car. In second it has shown you the side portion of the car, and third it has shown you the top portion of the car. So after these many examples, today we got here one thing, and that is that every object has three different types of views. Every object has three different types of views, and these are top view, side view, and front view. When we see any object from top side, it is called top view of an object. When we see any object from front side, it is called front view of an object. And when we see any object from side portion, it is called the side view of an object. For example, furthermore, if we want to see almost though we have done, house is given. See here, in this house you can see one hut is there. Is hut has front view of the hut, side view of the hut, and top view of the hut. This also you can see. So in this way, each and every object is having three different types of views, that is front view, side view, and top view. So today what we have learned in chapter where to look from, that when we see any object, so it has its three different types of views, that are front view, side view, and top view. And particular object looks different from its top view, front view, and side view. So now what you have to do? You people have to take your math notebook, fair math notebook, and there what you will do? You will write the chapter name, where to look from, And then here you will draw any 5 objects of your choice, with all the 3 views. Like suppose if you are going to draw a pencil, then you will show in your notebook that when you see this pencil from top portion, how it looks. When you see this pencil from side portion, what type of look it is giving. And when you see from front portion, what type of view is there. Similarly, so many objects are there at your home. You can take any object and then you can draw their front, side and top view. Thank you and have a nice day.